be showing you just how I'm doing production level deployments. I've upgraded a little bit of how I'm doing things, and I'd like for you to show you. So right now I'm adding logging. I'm adding tracing. I use Minio as a S3 backend, and I'm currently doing a deployment. So let's just jump in. So right here we got a bunch of things that I'm doing. So I have a URL that I deployed. I'm going to be securing it, so I deployed an ingress for it. And right now I'm running a Helm upgrade command, and then I also have I think it was right here, a command that's running to deploy Terra. Let's just say upgrade. Here, I'm gonna fix this. And I just noticed some of the problems I've been dealing with are starting to get well, not starting to get solved, but have been solved. And so I feel like it's time to start playing at another level, because you can deploy services, you can dive into containers for logs, but I'm trying to step my game up, so I think we should all kind of do it. And so I do have some passwords, but you probably can't see them. So I have Fluentd that I'm working on deploying. Fluentd is for like logging, unified logging, and it's I haven't used it before, but apparently it's pretty good. So, and it's been out for a while. It's a CNCF graduate project. It's not just CNCF sponsored. It's not. I don't think it's a sandbox anymore. And I do have that deployed. So if you look here, I have it deployed as a daemon set. Or at least it's supposed to be. It might be in its own namespace. Observability, maybe. That's Jaeger. It is here somewhere. I just gotta find it. It just pushed it. Namespace. Logging. And then we got a logging operator. What's this? Failing. Waiting to start. Why is it waiting to start? Is it a resource issue? Not found. I haven't deployed FluentD before, and I couldn't find anything good. But this logging operator is supposed to deploy it for you. Elasticsearch. And then, oh, maybe it's handled already then. Oh, wow. Pending. Where's it logging to? This is still empty. Let's see what this says. Oh, okay. Okay, so we got that. And then, yeah, remove that. Should be able to pull this. Oop, doesn't matter. You can't see this anymore. Log. Definitely gonna need to change that password. I think we can just delete this. Yeah, so these things are hard to talk about, but basically you do a production deployment by managing a bunch of different things at a certain time. A lot of times you have different people that do these jobs individually, but when you are kind of managing things yourself, you gotta go ahead and get your hands dirty. So, for me personally, I'm building like a two-stage system. The architecture is kind of stupid, but it is what it is. So, this UI, some of it is React, some of it is Terra, like HTML native, and some of and then I have a whole backend API. I got a whole backend that uses like ORPC and stuff, and so I spent a lot of time coding out the integrations. It seems like I'm missing more schema. That's fine. And so when you're doing these deployments, uh, I have a make file to kind of put everything together because it starts to get a little hard to manage. But additionally, you should have a registry that you're pushing things to. Registry. And these are all like CNCF projects that I'm using personally. So they're like sponsored by CNCF. So they're basically free. And it makes things a hell of a lot easier for deployment. So I use Harbor for my registry. And then I've lately been using a JavaScript registry too. What is it? Forgot what it's called. This thing, whatever this is. It seems pretty old. Verdasio. So I've been using Verdasio for my registry, and you can install it directly. I think that's what I did for like an npm package registry. It serves as a cache too. So I use Minio for S3, Harbor for container storage, Verdaccio or Verdaccio for npm package registry, and now I'm adding Jaeger for tracing, and then Fluentd as well. And then I use Minio for my S3 storage. And what else do I use? I use Jenkins behind the scenes. I haven't been using it lately just because it's slow for deployments. And yeah. Oh, and then I'm looking into what is it called? I was just watching a video on it. Open Bow for secrets management. I haven't deployed it yet, but I think it might make things a little easier than having a bunch of secrets all over the place. And yeah, and then obviously Rust and lately I've been using ORPC for good type bindings, and then I also made a VS Code. VS Code extension. It's called Rusty Refactor. And so basically what this does is when you are writing Rust, it gets kind of annoying. And so for at least when you're using LLMs to write Rust or any language, they'll just stack everything in one file. And I started getting tired of that, at least for maintaining it, because it's just ridiculous. So I created an extension. So it works out of the box with the Rusty Road project. If you don't have Rusty Road, it's not going to work. It'll work, but you have to configure your own folders and stuff. So basically, what this does is it uses the Copilot to document code, but it'll also automatically refactor. And I also have it works with Rust Analyzer to analyze code, find symbols that can be extracted, and then removes them automatically. And then additionally, here AI powered. So it works directly with Copilot. So it'll give a tool call for Copilot to use, and then Copilot can just start refactoring as you feel fit. It's pretty good. I use it regularly. It's definitely sped up my workflow, and I'm trying to improve it. But out of the box, I mean, it's gone through a lot of iterations at this point. But yeah, 4.36. It's gone through a lot. So let me know if you're interested, if you like it. It's obviously free, and you can feel free to fork it or whatever. And yeah, that's all I got for now. All right. Talk soon. Peace.